For take two. Hey guys, Matt from Soundrolling.com, and this is a terrible sounding video because I'm using the inbuilt Slate mic. And the problem with the Slate mic is that it sounds exactly how it does now. But Paul has very kindly lent me his bag, and I'll throw up the name of this little beauty that he has in his bag, speaking to his boom ops. And you can plug in any external mic to replace your Slate mic. So when you're talking to your boom op, they don't absolutely hate you. So let's go into the settings and change that. So you just go into menu, and then I'll take it off Slate mic just so you guys, so it'll change properly. Alright, and now we're listening to the Audio Technica. You'll notice that it sounds a lot better. This is a dynamic mic, which is why I didn't need the 15 volts added onto it, because it powers itself through my voice. And so that's how Paul basically can now talk to his boom ops a lot better and a lot clearer.